Hey, I'm Kevin Kwan. Welcome back to this channel, Taste of Asian Food. Yesterday night, I joined a Christmas party. Yesterday was Christmas, and I decided to make chicken 65 and Indian cuisine. And I will leave other people to make the traditional Christmas items for that night. First, let me explain to you how to make this chicken 65. Okay, the first thing is we need to cut the chicken into small pieces about 1 inch in size. You can use either chicken breast or chicken thigh, but preferably without bone, without skin, because this is basically to be made in a bite size for party. And then marinate the chicken with all those spices that I have already prepared. Now you see what we have are things like ginger garlic paste, some cumin powder, some turmeric powder, some salt, black pepper, some chili powder, some garam masala, and of course I need to include some yogurt because yogurt helps to tenderize the meat and also impart some extra flavor. Now, marinate the chicken for at least 1 hour, or if you have time, overnight is even better. So what's going to be next is that I'm going to get some cornstarch and then I mix with some regular flour. In fact, I just used cornstarch yesterday night because I don't have flour, and it comes out superb, super crispy. So what's going to do is I get the corn flour mixed into the marinated chicken, mix it well, and then deep fry it into golden brown. Since I'm doing it at home, I'm not going to use an electric deep fryer, in which I usually use it in the restaurant, but because if I'm going to use that, it involves too much oil. So normally at home I will use a shallow pan with about 1 inch of oil and then deep fry the chicken in batches. In that case, I will save lots of oil. So what's next after the chicken is already golden brown? Well, we take it out and then by using a slaughter pan and then let it cool down and put it onto a paper towel and let it drain away the excess oil. So the next thing I need to do is to heat some oil in a pan again, a clean pan. Once it is heated, I then put the cumin seeds into it, let it fry over low heat until it starts to become aromatic. And the next things, I'm going to put the rest of the item, that is the ginger garlic paste, the green chilies, the dry chilies, curry leaves, and then continue frying until everything becomes aromatic. It's quite short, probably about 1 to 2 minutes over low to medium heat. And after that, just add about 2 tablespoons of water into it. And it will start to sizzle, of course, and quickly add the chicken into it and mix well. That's all the steps to make chicken 65. It's quite simple. But there's still a question behind why is it called 65 but it's not 64, 66? There are a few versions of the story behind actually. The first story is about the invention. When was it invented? It was invented accordingly in 1965 in a restaurant in southern India. So since it's 1965, we call it chicken 65. And the second story is about a chef who cooked this chicken and chopped the whole chicken into 65 pieces. 65. And lastly, it says that there was a group of Indian soldiers in Chennai and they went to a place to eat chicken, and there's a very elaborate menu, and this chicken was listed as the item number 65 on the menu. So despite of its obscure origin, I'm really addicted to it and I love it. And I hope you will love it too, just like me. And I will include the recipe in the description below the video for your reference. I hope you will try that and let me know the result. And certainly I will also include the recipe at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, tap the notification and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you again in some other similar video soon. Bye for now.